Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Peacock Way. In this project, I'm going to be doing watercolor paint, and this is the card from Sarah Renee Clark. I'll be taking these colors from that card. It's 205. And I'm using this Angora watercolor paints. These are nice bright colors, so I'm going to use these. This is a very small project for beginners. Um, I'll be using some stencil and some mark making, so it's not very um, huge project. So I'm going to blend all these colors. Then I'm going to move all those side. Then now I'm going to heat it and make it dry. Then I'm using this it's like a acrylic paint pen. It's from Crafters for All. Now I'm going to use this stencil and paint on the top, and then I'm going to flip it and use it like a stamp. So this gives like a good texture for the background. I'm going to do the same thing on the different side. If you don't have this kind of a particular stencil, don't worry about it, or you can just use stamps and do the stamping. Then I'm using the pen and little bit darkening it in those areas. This is optional. Then now I'm going to use this black pen and do some mark making. So I'm using this gold mica paint and uh, putting it as like a dots on the page and finishing this project. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and if you like it, please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like button, and leave your comments below. I will see you in my next project. Bye.